I don't know if y'all see that like I see it, but those little clouds right there could turn into a tornado. Oh, it's going away now. That's interesting. Damn. Look, there's another one trying to spread apart. That could spiral down into a tornado. That white cloud right there, that one could turn into a tornado. You see it right there? Above the trees? It's more like that way. You can see the clouds kind of going downwards. Over there, towards the orange house on the right, above the palm tree. It'll be like above the palm tree from where you're standing. You see how fast those little white clouds are moving right there? So yeah, that could spiral down into a tornado if the temperature and the climate's right. You see how rapidly it's swirling up there? That could spiral down into a tornado. That's kind of crazy. This look like tornado weather too. Look at that shit. Wow. It's moving up now. You see it above the oaks? I'm in, I'm in the middle of recording a possible tornado. I'm Zion, stay inside.